What do you need to know about return to duty process? The Department of Transportation DOT regulations require individuals who fail their drug or alcohol test to undergo an approved rehabilitation program before becoming certified again. Return to duty process. Frequently asked question. What is RTD process? A commercial driver who fails to submit to a federally mandated DOT drug or alcohol test must go through the return to duty process so that they are again eligible to operate a commercial motor vehicle. What are the 4 steps of the return to duty process? Ask a professional in substance abuse to evaluate you. Finish the SAP indicated treatment or education plan. Complete the follow-up SAP assessment. Follow-up drug and alcohol test. Who are applicable for return to duty process? Employees who tested positive, refused a drug test, or violated the drug policy of the company they are working in should observe RTD process to continue their work. How much time is required for return to duty? It means that truckers must exercise additional care when it comes to complying with laws and regulations for a minimum of 1 year, and up to 5 years, depending on the severity of the violation. Who will pay for the return to duty process? It depends on the employer's policy. If it says that the company will pay for the return to duty process, then employers are obligated to pay for it, otherwise employee has to bear the expense. Do employees on prescribed medications undergo RTD? Keep this in mind that if a healthcare professional recommended a medication and advised your driver it was secure to use while being on a safety-sensitive job, then there is neither a drug violation nor the driver is required to undertake the return to duty process. The main difference between both is that a pre-employment test screens potential candidates for drug or alcohol use before they are hired on the job, while a return-to-duty test is conducted on employees who have previously tested positive or violated the company's substance abuse policy and are seeking to resume their job responsibilities. Who is SAP and their role in RTD process? SAP, Substance Abuse Professional, is a person who evaluates employees for violations of the DOT drug and alcohol program and makes recommendations for teaching, management, follow-up testing, and rehabilitation. SAP assesses drivers after explaining their circumstances and recommends the type of recovery they need. For your CDL drivers to be put back into good stand-up and documented in the clearinghouse, drivers must complete the return to duty process according to the guidelines of SAP. Final thoughts. Positive or failed DOT drug and alcohol drug brings unfavorable results for the transportation company and the driver. The CDL drivers are immediately removed from their safety-sensitive positions. To resume efficient work, the tested positive employee must complete the return to duty process regulated by DOT and FMCSA. The return to duty process is a lengthy procedure to be followed by you and your driver all alone. goMDnow provides the best RTD services in a very cost-effective manner. Sign up today for a complete RTD process and let the process begin smoothly.